Hello, I wasn't going to film this, but why not? I'm going to Uxbridge, and then everything goes to plan. We'll be going in the depot at Northfields and walking out. So I thought, well, I'll bring you with me. I've got my camera, so we'll go see what fun we can have. So my train's here. Don't pick up for another couple of minutes, but because I've been busy, put that away, because I've been busy chatting in the mess room, I hadn't checked. It's a duty where the train sits, it comes in and you go out 4 minutes later, and if I'd have double checked I'd have come out early, just so I'm not rushing. But anyway, I'm still picking it up early by a minute or so, and it's turned cold, and even in this jacket I'm cold. Right, what we got? 249. So I'm wearing this jacket because it's so cold. It's not a jacket I wear very often because I look an idiot in it, but it's all fur lined. So hopefully I'll be a bit warmer walking out the yard tonight. So it is a Monday night. We're at 5:10 in the evening. See if we get any snow. Hopefully not. So we're going to Uxbridge. I've not been to Uxbridge for a while. My first trip to Uxbridge of this year, 2026. Unless I get diverted. So I will see you wherever we end up, hopefully, and if anything delays us along the way, I'll let you know. So we made it to Uxbridge, and you know you're at Uxbridge when you get the people jumping the gates, even though one of the gates is wide open, but yeah, no one pays for anything up here. Anyway, pretty much uneventful coming up here. We was 5 or 6 minutes late leaving Cockfosters, so I called them up to find out why we were being held, and they said there was a problem at Wood Green on the eastbound, so it was shut down. So there was no trains coming up to Cockfosters. So yeah, we left 5-6 minutes late there. Then we were held at Finsbury Park probably another 4 minutes or so. Let me just get my bag. But in the end, let me have a look. Yeah, in the end, we was only about 4 minutes late here to Uxbridge, so quite happy with that. It gave me time to go and use the fabulous facilities that Uxbridge has to offer. And then hopefully we can make it all the way down to Arnos Grove without needing to get off. Even though it's still relatively early, what is it? Nearly 7:10. It's bitterly cold. When I was leaving Acton Town, everything was just white with frost. It's not quite so bad up here, but anyway. So it is a Monday night, so it is, I won't use the word because you know it goes wrong. Hopefully it'll stay like that going back down to Arnos Grove, where I've got about an hour and 20-minute break. It's a bit of a crazy duty. I think I get, yeah, it's quite a long meal break, but then it's a late finish as well. Anyway, I'm going to get myself warm, and yeah, we'll see you down there. I'm due out of here in about 5 minutes. Well, we made it to Arnos Grove. Let's go get something to eat. I'm thinking I'm going to be naughty today and go to the chicken shop. In almost 10 years, I think I've only been in there twice. Saying I'm going to the chicken shop, depends how busy it is. Oh, got some food. Well, at least my card let me in the gate anyway. Oh. So I'll pick up about 10 o'clock. So I've got a little over an hour. I was a little bit late getting off at Arnos, just a little bit slow from Acton Town, but not the end of the world. So my train's come in. I'm sorry, I've been chatting to other drivers. So 362, we're going to head down to Northfields and stable this, so I'll catch you down there. Well, we made it to Northfields. We're detrained and I'm going to put this in the depot. And it's still really cold. And it's a double ender. T5 service there. Just making sure no one's jumped back on the train as I walk up it. Right, well, I'll see you in the yard. Right, well, I made it into the shed. Look what I'm next to. It's weird. Actually, it looks smaller. I'm sure it's not. Anyway, I would go and have a look closer, but they don't want us anywhere near it, so I'm not going to bother. It's about as close as I'm going to get to save getting into trouble. Obviously, you see the windows a lot smaller. I believe that's because they needed the space above them for things like the air conditioning pipes, and I think they've got digital displays on board as well, so all the sort of wiring for that. But yeah, looks nice and clean. Won't stay like that for long, but so yeah, it's nice to see one close up anyway. It'd be nice to be able to go on one, but yeah, they don't want us near them. Maybe they're frightened we'll break it. But there it is. Let's have a look from here. Window's a bit dirty, but anyway. Right, now I've got 25 minutes to pick my next train up. So need to walk across to Northfields station. Would help if I know where I'm going, wouldn't it? I don't think I've quite come in far enough. I'm a little bit further out, but anyway. Just a touch. I just needed to move back a little bit more, but anyway, we can get on and off. It's been so long since I've been in here. So yeah, there she is. It'd be sad to see these old trains go. They've done well. I mean, they're still good trains. To be honest, I'd rather stay driving these for the rest of my career. But they're struggling to maintain them and get parts, so. Now, don't quote me, but I think this is the simulators down here, or going to be the simulators down here. So I've just checked the weather. It's -3. I say normally I would wear my work uniform because I don't like ruining my own clothes, and at the end of the day I should be in uniform. But the work jackets are not the warmest, and even in this I'm cold. Before anyone has a go at me. Right. Go and wait for a train. My train will be about 17 minutes. Should really check, shouldn't I? I wonder if I can persuade this driver to let me take their train and they wait for mine. I think she's going to tell me no. Even though I let her swap and take my Christmas annual leave this year, or last year. Strangely, she didn't want to swap. My train's due here in 7 minutes, and it's there. Try that again. Take 2. My train's due in 7 minutes, but it's at Hounslow Central. So it's got Hounslow East, Osterley, Boston Manor, and here. So it'll be a few minutes late. But that's all right. Well, tough if not, really, isn't it? I don't know if that's coming out on there. I'm going to assume it's foxes. I was going to ask you if you can hear it, but it doesn't really help, does it? There's one thing about being out and about at this time of night. It's quiet. I kind of like it. It's like when I'm one of the last trains to stable and I'm walking back out the depot up to Cockfosters. There's no noise, there's no passengers, there's no trains. It's just silent. You might hear the odd fox or something, and it's delightful. Of course, you're stuck listening to me. Where's this train? It was at Boston. Oh, I can see it coming now. Slowly. Here she comes. So I'm taking this back to Oakwood. Back to Oakwood, up to Oakwood. You know what I mean. We're going to Oakwood either way. see you lot at Oakwood. So we've detrained. Did have someone sleep on the train. Wanted King's Cross. But anyway, right, let me put this in the yard. Right, like a turkey on Christmas Day, we're done. Put my hood up, I'm cold. What I forgot to tell you though, when I was at Northfields, is Hyde Park Corner was closed in both directions due to staff shortages. And then when I was at Gloucester Road on the east, they said Oakwood was closed due to a local power failure, but that reopened when I got to, I was probably about King's Cross. So I did have someone asleep on the train. I think I said they wanted King's Cross. Left them in the safe hands of station staff. So yeah, that is it. I'm going home. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care. Good night.